Well, good morning. It's a thrill to be back at Finovate. When you last saw us in spring 2015, DriveWealth invited the world to invest on our cloud-based mobile investing platform. For the first time, anyone, anywhere could get low-cost access to the US equity markets all through their smartphone device. But we were just getting started. Since that event, we've signed partnerships with many of the leading e-commerce, fintech, and financial services companies around the world, and our platform is now available to 400 million consumers. Our vision is to combine our e-commerce-based technology and our robust regulatory licenses to empower consumers the ability to invest in the global brands they love. Our partners integrate with us through our API to offer a native solution to their customers, most of whom who've never had access to these markets before. 90% of our customers come from outside the United States, spanning 150 countries. But we're not done yet. Today, we are breaking the final barrier facing our retail investors and aiming to change the face of retail investing in the process. The problem is, how can investors build a portfolio of the stocks they love, regardless of how much they have to invest? I think we'd all love to have Google and Amazon in our portfolio, but their high prices have been prohibitive to most retail investors until today. We are so pleased to launch today at Finovate real-time fractional share investing. Now, regardless of whether you have $20,000 to invest or $20 to invest, you can begin to build the portfolios you desire. If you want to invest in a portfolio with Google, Amazon, and Priceline and only have $100, that's no problem. Stock prices no longer matter. All that matters is what stocks you want to invest in and how much you want to invest. It's dollar-based investing. And isn't that really how we all think about money? Make no mistake, this is real-time investing. Our fractional share investors get the same best bid pricing as our larger purchasers, and they can buy, sell, or margin their entire portfolio. And Harry's going to show you just how easy that is.
Awesome. Thanks, Mike. All right, a couple of quick housekeeping details. Obviously, the U.S. markets are closed right now, side effect of going early at Finovate, so we're going to be working in a practice account. Otherwise, everything is live and in full production. Now, with regards to the functionality, the specific functionality of dollar-based investing, fractional trading, all fully available to our partners through our REST and Fix APIs. Okay, on any given day, millions of people buy products on Amazon. Now, if on average they spend $50 a week, that'd be well over $2,000 in product in a given year. Now, imagine if you could take that same $50 and reinvest it every week in Amazon. You'd now have a growing investment well worth over $3,000 most likely. The problem is, how do you buy $50 of a $500 stock? I mean, after all, shouldn't buying Amazon be just as easy as checking out at Amazon? Well, today it is with DriveWealth. All right, so let's go buy that $50 of Amazon. From the home screen, we need to go find Amazon. So let's click on the search icon. Now, I want to show you something really cool. I mean, ordinarily, I would just type in the word Amazon. But we've built something special for that next generation of younger investors, emoji search. Now, when I think about Amazon, I think about packages. So I'm just simply going to put the package in there. And instantly, you're going to see Amazon come up, and actually all the other stocks related to it in the online space. So let's click on Amazon. And instantly, it's going to take us to the instrument card, where we see yesterday's performance, red because it was down. And you get a real-time chart of the security. We get detailed fundamentals and technical information, news and events, and of course, descriptive data about Amazon. Everything that an investor needs to know to make an informed decision. All right, let's scroll back to the buy button. Now, you'll see the screen defaults here to a cash investment, no longer trading of shares. We want to make it very simple. I'm just going to type in $50. And instantly, you see it calculates that I'm going to be buying 0.1024 shares of Amazon. We'll review that order and place that order, and instantly now, I bought $50 worth of Amazon. Could it be any simpler? Now, that's just one security. How do we build a well-diversified portfolio? Can it be just as simple? Bet you know the answer to that. So let's go out to our watch list. And in our watch list, you're going to see I have some very high-priced stocks, stocks that were really unattainable for me. They were just too expensive. I've always wanted to own Google, and I've always wanted to own a piece of Warren Buffett, but I never could until today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide each one of these and simply add them to my basket. And you'll notice at the bottom right, that basket indicator is increasing, 1, 2. Oh, there's Chipotle, pretty expensive stock. You know, my stomach doesn't feel too good about that, so I think we'll skip Chipotle. We'll go right to Priceline, and we'll add that to the basket. Now, I want to be a little more diversified, say at a global level. Let's add some Chinese stocks. So we'll go to our curated list, where we help you find investments. We're going to click on Go Global, choose China. And I think we'll swipe on Alibaba, and we'll swipe on Baidu. All right, we're ready to check out. Did I get Baidu there? Let's do, yes, I did. You'll notice that it automatically defaults to equal weighting all of the securities that I've chosen. I don't want to spend all my cash. I simply want to spend $300. So we'll type that in. And now I feel like, you know, China's going to maybe rebound this year. I want to go a little heavier on Alibaba, let's say. So I click on Alibaba, and instantly it allows me to change the allocation. I'm going to increase it, let's say, to 30%, which is going to be $90. It automatically rebalances the rest of the portfolio. We go to checkout. It's going to calculate, know exactly how much cash of each security I'm going to buy and how many fractional shares I'm going to get as well. Hit review order. We're ready to go. Place order. And now, just as fast as I bought Amazon, we've bought those 5 stocks in that basket. Let's go have a look at our portfolio now. So there's all of our positions with their cash values, not shares, but how much I've invested in dollars. That's intuitive. That's comprehensive. That's Finovative. That's DriveWealth. Back to you, Mike.
Thanks, Harry. So with our commercial launch today, soon hundreds of millions of consumers around the world will have access to our real-time fractional investing. We want you to help us change the face of retail investing. We are available in both the iTunes and Google stores as of today. Come by our booth, and if you open an account today, you get 5 free trades just for being at Finovate. Dollar-based investing through DriveWealth. It just makes sense. Thank you.